Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And, excuse me, this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a very rare car. Let's see, this comes from Chuck in Spring, Texas, and it goes into actually a car that's part of the Reggie Jackson collection. That's Reggie Jackson, the famous baseball player. It is a 1970 Plymouth Superbird, a special car, and the main things I notice about this cool car, it's a beautiful orange color, and the spoiler is a huge spoiler. It's like 3 or 4 feet up from the trunk. It's just this really cool looking car. I wish I had the picture of it, but at any rate, this one's going into a car from the Reggie Jackson collection, and Chuck has requested just the modern internal conversion to add FM and to get everything working again. So let's check it all out. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get. Let's go ahead and turn it on.
It is cold, however, inside the Beltway, and I don't mean Beltway cold. I mean Ohio cold. I think it's 17 degrees outside.
Okay.
It is biting.
Balance
it
right.
Is biting. And it wakes you
Left.
up, gets you going early in the morning. Wakes
Right.
you up, but
Left.
it is biting. It's not Anchorage. I know that. You're listening to me in Anchorage.
Kind of center.
It's probably not even Portland. I haven't checked yet on WGAN, my friends.
Okay, now we're going to move over to okay, we don't need this stuff anymore. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which if you don't have an AM FM switch, you go between AM FM by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM.
Being a bit of an acolyte of
en esto, ¿no? Como argumento un estudio del
Hey, did you know that...
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Okay, let's set the dial light, and you may not be able to see it, but I will. Let's go ahead and just turn the radio off and just check the dial light, make sure that comes on, and it does. Let me just make sure of that. Yep, so we're good to go. She's ready to go back to the customer, and the next radio I test is also going to be from Chuck. It won't be in nearly as good a shape because it was assembled from a lot of rusty stuff, but it does work fully, so we'll be testing that next time, or with the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and from that website, please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's what the work order is for. It's designed to answer most, if not all, of your questions, and then that way, if you do need to call me, it's only like for 5 minutes instead of a half an hour, explaining all my options, prices, turn times, all that stuff. That's all contained in the work order, and if you do that research before calling me, you'll save us both a lot of time on the phone. In my case, being on the bench is where I need to be, is where the work gets done. I don't get anything done on the phone. So if you could do that research before calling me, that's very much appreciated. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Chuck, for your business from Spring, Texas, and we'll see you guys next time.